The pandemic proves it. The online world was the only way for a lot of businesses to survive. Therefore, it's crucial for any company to have an online presence. And without digital marketing, creating a website is just like opening a shop in the middle of the desert. Digital marketing builds the road to drive customers to your business. Here are 7 clever reasons to learn digital marketing. 1. Start an online business without any startup costs. If you are in financial trouble, this can help you secure your future and be crisis-proof. When you start an online business, say goodbye to the pressure and costs of hiring people. You don't need a lot of money or experience in this field when it comes to starting your own company. 2. You'll be able to manage your business more effectively. And you can enjoy the security of knowing that your business will be able to grow and expand. You'll have more time for yourself, so make sure you're ready with a plan. 3. Be smarter than all your competitors in this digital age. The internet has made it so easy to learn and grow. Go above and beyond, stay ahead of the game by using new technologies to make a statement with technology that reflects who you are or what you do. 4. You'll have a better understanding of how the world works. This is good for you and your friends because it's important to know what life has in store. But don't worry too much about that. It doesn't mean all hard work will go out the window just yet. There are still many years ahead of where we can learn more and grow up. 5. Keep up with the latest trends and know what's best for your customers. Stay on top of things so you'll be able to offer your customers better solutions. 6. Be part of something bigger than yourself, creating a fulfilling and enjoyable career that makes the world better. You know that feeling when your work is so much fun? It's like time goes by faster because the tasks are just way more exciting than they would be otherwise. That's why working at your own company will make your life better. You can do meaningful things every day for people all over the world. 7. You will be successful and make money with your passion. The only way to have both happiness and success is by being happy with what you are doing now, not just waiting for something better down the line, which may never come. I suggest you start as soon as possible by clicking now the Learn More link below this video. If you're looking for a way to make money from home but don't want to work on commission or in the service industry, then a lifestyle business is right for you. Lifestyle businesses are more than just a fad, they're becoming an increasingly popular way for people to earn income while enjoying flexible schedules and having time off when needed. We've created this free video series that will teach you how to start your own successful lifestyle business. By following our step-by-step instructions, we'll show you how easy it can be. I have a really great offer for you. You can start your journey in the digital marketing field with my free video series. Just click now on the Learn More link below, and I will send it to you right away.